guys, it's Square Puddle here, and I'm going to show you how to get free membership for Animal Dream. So the first thing to do is you want to run through the door to the back door, and through the door again, around and around 2 times, and let me do that right now. Okay, so I've done it. Now, the second thing you have to do is you have to hop. After you hop, you go to the next one, you play. Oh yeah, and you have to be a wolf to do this. You have to get a wolf to do this. And then the thing after that, you have to dance. So when you dance, you want to do the next one, you want to sleep. Okay, after you have done all those, you want to sit always. First, from starting, you sit this way, and then you go to the top this side, and then the bottom, and do that. Now when you do all that. Okay, after you have done that, you log out, and you log back in. So, I'm going to do that. And then you log right back in. See? It worked. And I already had membership on this account, so the name tag is already decorated. But if you haven't had membership before, it will just be golden and stuff like that. Thanks for watching, and comment, like, subscribe, and I hope you liked it, and I hope you get membership also too. And thanks for watching.